Imagine getting a message every hour saying you have 2 new sale notifications or congratulations you just made $300. Well, now it's possible with this software. So today's video I present to you WiFi Clickz. In this review I will show what is the WiFi Clickz product, the sales page, the live demo, the pros and cons, and a lot of information you need to know about this product. Without any further, let's get started. So first of all, what is the WiFi Clickz? WiFi Clickz is a brand new app for 2022 that leverages a never seen before copy and paste loophole to get unlimited buyer traffic that gets them paid $27 per minute. So here in the sales page, I proved the easiest money making system we found in the 2022. 2-click copy and paste app gets unlimited free buyer traffic that pay us $27 per minute. Push button easy, just activate your internet connection, no budget required, no experience required, no tech skills required. So basically this is some features of the WiFi Clickz. We've made $17,000 in profit in 30 days. We're getting paid $27 every time. 12 beta testers made money. Take less than 60 seconds to work, no experience or skills required. Works on all devices including your phone or tablets. 100% brand new for 2022 software. Free buyer traffic built in, plus 200 free traffic sources included. Beginner making money from day one. Private members community. 180-day money back guarantee, plus get private coaching if you fail. So basically this is some features of the WiFi Clickz product, and if you scroll on the sales page you will see a lot of information you need to know and must know, and a lot of features about this product. And there is only 2 steps to use the WiFi Clickz. Step number 1 is activate the WiFi Clickz Pay technology, then copy and paste your secret link, no tech skills or experience required. And step number 2 is sit back and watch as a raging river of free traffic and clicks hit your links on autopilot, when then get paid $27.43 per minute via PayPal or direct into your bank account. Now let's see the WiFi Clickz from inside. So basically when you log into your account, this is the interface and this is the dashboard. Like you see, it's easy to use and simple for beginners. So the dashboard have a intro video. Here the tutorials, like you see, the tutorials have a lot of training informations and training videos of how to use the WiFi Clickz in the right way. So like you see, there is almost 12 videos you can watch before you use WiFi Clickz. Here your campaigns. So basically this is a done for you campaigns, 12 minutes affiliate and more. Here you can publish your campaign, here edit your campaign, share, also you can delete your campaign. And if you want to create a new one, just click at create new here. Here the done for you bonuses, like you see, this is the auto profit site, profit sniper eggs, invite commissions. Like we see, you can edit the bonus from here. So basically this is the bonus. You can edit it or just publish it from here. Next, the social media accounts. You can link here your social media accounts, like you see the Twitter, Reddit, Tumblr, and more. Here the free traffic section. Like you see, this is Glenn Kowski, the creator of this wonderful product. This is the free traffic section. Like you see, there is a lot of tabs and informations about this free traffic. There is almost 5 sources of free traffic you can use, and this is some bonuses beside this free traffic, or you can use it for this free traffic. And last, this is the upgrades. Like you see, the unlimited, the automated traffic, the EGM edition, the ultimate edition, license rights, 30K edition, auto profit boost, and bonus builder. Beside finally the millionaire edition. You can upgrade your membership from here. And this is the help. If you need some help or have some questions, just click on the help and send your submit. So basically guys, this is the product from inside. I use it for the last 2 days, and it's easy to use and simple, and bring you a lot and huge of free traffic you can use for your links and make at least $100 a day easily. Now for the price, so basically you will get a brand new WiFi Clickz app, step-by-step video tutorials plus profit strategies, WiFi Clickz mobile edition, built-in free traffic, DeFi WiFi Clickz platform, DeFi profit technologies, plus $1,000 per day live training, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week VIP support, 180-day money back guarantee, beside free coaching if you fail. Beside, you will get this valuable and awesome bonuses beside the WiFi Clickz product. So bonus number 1 is 2,500 daily commission system, value $1,997. Bonus number 2, your first sale in 69 seconds, value $997. Bonus number 3, $500 daily instant affiliate check, value $497. And the bonus number 4, $10 million online blueprint, value $497. So you will get these awesome bonuses beside all these features here, valued at $18,000. You will get it today for just $19 one-time pay, no monthly fees. Besides, like I said before, you will get 180 days money back guarantee if you don't like the product or you face a problem using it. I hope my WiFi Clickz review can assist you in making a more informed and timely decision. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Also, the link of WiFi Clickz also in the description below, and I will much appreciate it if you use my link, because I will get a small commission for that. Thank you guys for watching this wonderful video about the best and most powerful products in 2022. Thank you guys, and see you on the next video.